Hey, look, niggas, I'm trying to tell y'all, we going hard in the first quarter. Like it's the fourth, dickhead.
Yeah. I said, fuck them all, nigga, fuck them all, yeah, yeah.
Fuck them all.
If the guns is drawn, then we gun them all down, yeah. I said, fuck them all, nigga, fuck them all, yeah, yeah. Niggas say they down, but they really drawn now, yeah. I heard you fucking the team. That will not get you some rings. Only occasional rings. All up at 5 a.m. Oh, yeah, we making the scene. Had the right tear it up back to the cream. Hold do you copy? I'm switching through things. I'm running the paint like I'm Kareem. Yeah. I said fuck them all, nigga, fuck them all, yeah, yeah.
Fuck them all.
The guns is drawn, then we gun them all down, yeah. I said fuck them all, nigga, fuck them all,
Run it up in this bitch.
Niggas say they down, but they really drawn. I want the cash, you want the fame. Sorry, little nigga, we ain't the same. I want the props, I want the chains. Cover my eyes and Cartier frames, man. We in uptown, I'm switching through lanes. Tell us what else, yeah, I'm on the plane. I try to forget, I try to refrain from telling these niggas they going insane. That's why I do not say shit. That's why I keep it basic. Okay, I'm running on patience. I'm stuck in the matrix. That's why I go hard on my flow. I'm trying to push for the goat. If the game is in danger, I'm pulling it up like it's tied to a rope. Gotta cradle that baby like newborn for sure. For sure. I said fuck them all, nigga, fuck them all, yeah, yeah.
Fuck them all.
The guns is drawn, then we gun them all down, yeah. I said fuck them all, nigga, fuck them all, yeah, yeah. Niggas say they down, but they really drawn now, yeah.